Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have some super cute penguin cards for you. So let's get started. From Hunkydory we have the most adorable penguin cards. And this is a decoupage card kit that I will show you in a minute. I just wanted to let you know that the waterfall toppers, very popular, are back in stock. I know they sold out so quickly last time. I'm going to link the video below so you can see what I have done with these beautiful toppers and grab them while you can, as they are still in stock. And now for the beautiful penguin toppers, let me show you what comes in this gorgeous pack. So first you have the cards that you can create and the directions. In each kit you have 6 cards, and each card is beautifully foiled and has this die cut here on the front panel. All you have to do is push it out, and this die cut will actually go on one of the inserts, and you can see it will fit it perfectly, and I'll show you how I did this. And here are the 6 cards in those most beautiful blue hues, but there's also a black one, absolutely stunning. There's also a pink one, and then this gorgeous midnight blue. So 6 cards. Then you get 3 die cut sheets, and each die cut sheet has 2 embellishments with all the different layers. And here they are, and look at this artwork. It is absolutely adorable. I've never seen any cuter penguins than those. There are plenty of layers, and I will show you how you can easily make 12 cards with this kit that is supposed to make 6 cards. You will also get the matching envelopes in there for those cards, and then, like I said, those layers that will go on the inside of your cards. And I will share my creations now. Hunkydory is known for their exquisite foiling on their cardstock and embellishments, and this card is no exception. Look at this beautiful snowflake design. The silver foiling is so beautiful. And with this card, what I have done here is I did exactly how it was intended. So I removed the inner circle here, this die cut. I added the inner layer to this part of the card. Then I added the circle that I removed from this card to the bottom, and I built up the embellishment with all the layers that came in this pack. So then I added the sentiment and just 4 pieces of bling at each corner, and this finishes the card. And this is how the card is intended. It is absolutely stunning. It has a lot of dimension, and on the back you even have an area where you can write your message. But you could also just sign your card here in the corner if you wanted to. So this is how the card is supposed to look like. And when I created it, immediately I was thinking, these are a lot of layers, and I can stretch that into 2 cards. So I made 1 card, one of the 6, as it was supposed to be intended. And then for the next 5 cards, I split the layers and made 2 cards with each of the embellishments. So let's look at that. So here is this wonderful pink card. So beautiful. You can see again the foiling. This time I made this card as a top folded card. Of course, it is designed to do it either way. But yeah, again, this time it's a top folded card. I again added just 4 pieces of bling. I added the sentiment, and I added only half of the layers, and you can still see it is still quite dimensional. Here it is. So on the insert I added my beautiful layer here that goes along with the design of the top, and then look at this. You would never know that there is half of the embellishment pieces, the layers, missing. what I have done, and here is the back of this card, so pretty. What I have done with the rest of the layers, I created this card. Now I have a die that makes these snow globes. So with that snow globe die, I die cut a card, and you can see how I laid it over here a little bit so that it keeps the card attached. So I just used a regular white card blank and then send it through my die cutting machine. And then the next thing I did is I die cut again a piece of background paper, and now you don't see this area that was cut off. You see it a little bit from the back because there it is, but nobody would worry about it. So here is my card blank, and I added, like I said, the background paper, which is cardstock from Hunkydory that I had left over from all the different sets that I have been working with. Then so then I used the die to create the circle here. This beautiful background paper is from the Snowflake Dual papers. Let me show you them. So these are the Dual Design paper pads that I have in my shop, also by Hunkydory, and it has these beautiful snowflake designs in here. This is my pad, so I have already worked with a lot of those papers in here, but see how gorgeous this is. So this is the paper that I used for this background here, and then I added all the additional layers that I had left over from this sheet. And I think this looks absolutely beautiful. You would never know that this was intended to be only one card. And then the Merry Christmas here. These are new stickers from Little Birdie. They come in red and green, and then I also have them now in craft. So these are also available in my shop, and I'm gonna go ahead and link it below. So here are my next two cards. Okay, next we have this gorgeous blue snowfall card. Look at the foiling on here, and I even made it more elaborate by adding these glitter sticker corners here to each of the corners, and I think this elevates it and makes it even more elegant looking. But this is the card. Look, this cute couple. All the layers have foiled accents, so that's why it's so easy to split them up. And then of course on the back you have your writing panel. I added this sentiment, and with the rest of the toppers I made this card. Here I had a cutout for one of my snow globe cards. I just added a snowflake there, the happy holidays again, and then this cute little couple. What I did here, I just made it to wobble a little bit, and all I did here is I folded up some acetate, and now you have a little bit of movement in here for this card. And this is just a regular white card blank with now we have these cute these super cute penguins here. And as a background in here is one more piece of the dual design papers. For my next card, I did the same thing. Since I had my dies out, I created one more of those cute snow globe cards. But first, let's take a look at this gorgeous foiled black cardstock with these beautiful snowflakes. I added again just the 4 blinks. Here is my inside layered up, the back and the sentiment. And then for this cute guy, the background here is also from Hunkydory, a piece of scrap that I had left on my desk. But you can still see there is lots of layering, very dimensional. Merry Christmas also comes from the Little Birdie stickers. They have both Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, and there it is. So cute, and of course the artwork cannot be topped. It is absolutely adorable. So for these cards, I switched it up a little bit. So here I thought, well, let's see what else I can do. So what I have done here is yes, I did take out the die cut from the front, but I added some acetate and then also the snowflake paper. And because it is double-sided, I now have this beautiful inside here as well. Then come on, there we go. Then I added this cute penguin here, drinking the hot chocolate, having the cookies. Again, it's all layered up and a sentiment, but I layered it on top rather than inside of the die cut. And what I have done with the die cut that came out of the circle, I created an ornament. So here now on this card, I have this cute ornament. And all I did here is for the background paper, I used also Hunkydory cardstock. And here it is. This is Snowflake Adorable Scoreable cardstock. So let's just look really quick what is in this pack. So it's this Snowflake cardstock in beautiful colors. I like the black, so pretty. And these colors match perfectly our colors in this set. So here they are, and I will link them below if you're interested. But that's what I have. Oops, that's what I have used for this card, and then I made this look like an ornament by adding a piece of glitter sticker here, a sticker border, and then a little bow. And for this, you know how you have the hanger on those I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, here this little thing, if you have normally a hanger on your ornaments, I just used my heart punch and used the top of the heart to create something that looks like a hanger on your ornament. And here are those two cards, and I am so pleased with all of these cards because of this gorgeous artwork. And for my last two cards, I did the same thing again. I just created the card as it was supposed to be created, just with the inside layer. You know, I added all the foam pads, of course. Look at the foiling. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I still need to put some bling here. I was running out of bling, but I have more. I just gotta get it. And then I have this sentiment, and then for the remaining pieces, this is actually a card blank from Michaels, beautifully foiled too, so you can find these in the card aisle these days. And added a few more snowflakes also from Hunkydory. Those are leftovers from other kids. And then here's this cute penguin with his ice cream cone, so pretty. And all layered, so with dimension. All I did is added a snowbank so that this sleigh has somewhere to go. It looks like he is sliding down the hill here. And I didn't do much on the inside. So here they are, and I think they're so cute. And here are my 11 cards that I have created with these beautiful decoupage cards by Hunkydory. So remember, one card has all the layers, so therefore there's only one card, but you can easily make 12 cards with this kit, and I hope you liked them. And if so, I would appreciate you giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, and maybe share this video with your crafty friends and family. It would help out my channel, and I would, like I said, really appreciate it. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.